Welcome to Data Swarm, Autonomous Infrastructure. We are replacing manual hours with elastic, zero-trust agents to revolutionize data contracting. The traditional data contracting model is broken. It's slow, expensive, and vulnerable, leading to wasted resources. Thousands of manual hours on setup and cleaning delay critical business insights by weeks or months. The solution is Data Swarm, a paradigm shift in elastic data infrastructure. We are moving beyond the current limitations to provide a better path forward. A core pillar of Data Swarm is zero-trust security. Autonomous agents operate within secure cloud sandboxes, ensuring your data maintains absolute privacy. Every operation follows strict zero-trust protocols. Deploy in seconds. Simply upload your CSV dataset and click Deploy. The system immediately handles heavy lifting with instant CSV parsing, one-click deployment, and automated infrastructure provisioning. The Supervisor agent performs a three-step process: analyze the messy dataset, strategize an actionable plan, and execute by transforming the plan into real code for script execution. Our agents execute real Python code within isolated E2B micro-VMs. This provides a secure, transient environment for code testing and execution without risking the host system or primary data integrity. Experience revolutionary performance. By automating the manual loop of coding, testing, and debugging, Data Swarm achieves a 10x faster processing speed, moving from raw data to auditable results in minutes. Data Swarm ensures total privacy and trust. Every step is logged for auditable results. Data sovereignty means data sets remain in secure sandboxes. Verifiable execution allows human experts to inspect and verify all transformations. This chart illustrates the efficiency of Data Swarm compared to the manual process. Data Swarm accelerates the project completion percentage over time, providing faster insights. Data Swarm operates on an open architecture, providing transparency through open source and GitHub collaboration. You can find the full architecture and open source code at the link provided. Join us in building the future of next-generation data. Let's build the future together. You can find the demo repository at github.com/data-swarm-demo. Here are the image sources used throughout this video.